Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, if you've been keeping up with my videos, you know that I've been thinking that this right here is the end of a pullback, the end of an ABC crescent, like an expanding ABC. Definitely turned right at the 50%. Nice impulsive wave up, hopefully a wave one. Nice one, two, three waves down, hopefully a wave two. I think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to stretch out into a wave three and possibly even go up and make new highs on this 4-hour daily time frame. Now, there is a possibility that it's an A, B, C, and we have a Fibonacci extension on the possible wave A or 1 projected out the bottom of the wave 2 or B. That way, if it does go up and, make like a nice break of structure at appropriate Fibonacci level for a wave C, then we can definitely exit our longs and go short for the continuation of this correction. But if it doesn't, if it just makes normal bounces and just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then we'll just hold on to our logs and we'll enjoy all the profits that a wave three can give us. So I'm definitely recommending longs, especially on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.